So I think we have to have the dry bone shell over here to collect this third coin for the clear condition. So we have to take it in and out. But I also think that this enemy starts like right here going towards us. So maybe if we play dead at just the right moment, just as we enter the room, then we won't defeat it. Yeah, that's it. Didn't wake up in time. Lose the shell and we can climb up. Wow. Thank you. I will say that normally the rules are no hints or ideas until I ask, but I guess I kind of asked and I kind of already had Searchlight giving ideas as well, so I can't complain too much. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I'm sure you've heard this before, but it really is true. Help the channel by subscribing, liking, commenting. It doesn't cost you anything but a moment of your time. Thank you.